Dude, this is so good. Definitely one of my favorite pizzas. What's up, y'all? My name's Cody, aka Splane Danger, and today I'll be walking you through how to make a naturally leavened Neo-Neapolitan style pizza using a sourdough starter and an Ooni Pizza Oven. Let's get amongst it. Today I'll be making the Grandaddy Purp, a garlic cream base, full fat, low moist mozzarella cheese called Purple Haze, and it is a goat cheese with fennel pollen and lavender. We're going to be throwing purple kale on there as well. Once it comes out of the oven, we'll be topping it with some microplaned Parmigiano Reggiano, and we'll be hitting it with a little bit of preserved lemon. I like to use 300 gram dough balls because it allows me to stretch out an 11 to 12 inch pizza relatively easily. Now we are ready to fire up the uni and start making our pizzas. Hear that baby purring? I will begin by grabbing out a dough ball, and I actually just toss it straight into our flour. I like to take both my fingertips and kind of put them together like this and start by just pressing the middle of the dough and forming the outer crust. Kind of just let gravity do its work as you're slowly turning the dough. Putting on a little bit of our garlic cream. You don't want to go too heavy on this. A little bit lighter than you would of classic red sauce. Next I'll be hitting it with the low moisture mozzarella, just evenly on the pizza. Move on to the goat cheese. Same thing, I kind of just rip this off and evenly disperse it on the pizza. Lastly, I'm going to throw some of our purple kale on here. One last thing, I want to hit this with a little bit of olive oil, help that kale crisp up all nicely. And now we're good to transfer this to our other peel and launch this in the oven. Now that our pizza's come out of the oven, hit it with parm, preserved lemon, and now we can go ahead, cut it up, and take a bite. Dude, this is so good. I love the garlic cream sauce comes through. You can taste that goat cheese on there, perfectly mixed with the low moist mozzarella. And the little bit of brightness that the preserved lemons gives is just absolutely amazing. The crust is like perfectly thin, and there's a lot of flavor in there from the sourdough, from the 48-hour fermentation, and the whole wheat. You can taste like a little nuttiness from the whole wheat. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do end up making one, you can tag me in it. I'd love to see. You can find me on Instagram at Danger. And one big thanks to Ooni as well. Cool. Thanks, guys.